In this video, I would like to explain why we should use the Facebook Messenger as a marketing tool. And in order for us to understand why exactly we should use the Facebook Messenger as a marketing tool, we should have a look at this statistic right here. Now, this statistic is basically showing us that more people from the year 2015 on use messaging tools than they use some kind of social media platform. So basically the place where people spend their time is not necessarily a social media platform anymore. It is in most cases actually a messaging platform, such as for instance the Facebook Messenger tool or WhatsApp. Now, in order to show you how great the Facebook Messenger is, we should compare the Facebook Messenger to an average normal email marketing sequence or an email marketing strategy. Now, for instance, when we send an email out to people, then we already expect not everyone to open the email. And of course, we don't expect everyone to also click, for instance, on the links inside the email. But what exactly do the raw numbers show? For instance, the open rates for emails are currently around 30%, not more. That's the absolute maximum. But when you look, for instance, at the Facebook Messenger, you will get on a daily basis 80% opening rates. And that is absolutely incredible. The last time we had open rates on a daily basis in email marketing was probably the time it got introduced, so probably in the early 2000s. Now, also when you have a look at the click rates, you're going to discover that the Facebook Messenger is much more effective than email marketing. Now, when we look at click rates, we have around a click rate of 20% for the Facebook Messenger, and we have around 0.5% for email. So basically, when you do email marketing, you have to send an email to 200 people in order to get one person to click on the link inside the email. So really, it's almost zero. It basically is zero. So you have to have an amazingly huge email list in order to really generate money. Now, of course, there are some people that have a much higher click rate. There are other people that have perhaps a higher open rate, but there's so much evidence that shows that the Facebook Messenger is probably the next email marketing. It's the next way to communicate with people in the business sense. It is the next way to sell products to people. Also, one more thing that I should perhaps talk about is that when you, for instance, have an event, let's say it's your birthday party or you, for instance, organize a concert, with the Facebook Messenger, huge companies were able to generate more than 10 times as many event participants than without the Facebook Messenger. And here in this course, I'm going to show you how to get people to your event. I'm going to show you how to get people to buy your product. I'm going to show you how to get people to read your messages and respond to them, and how to build a relationship with them. So also now I want to have a look at a couple more facts just about the Messenger to show you how huge it is. Now, currently, the Facebook Messenger has 1.3 billion users and 20 million plus Facebook pages are using the Facebook Messenger right now as well. And every month, 17 billion photos are sent via the Facebook Messenger. An absolutely incredible number, and this number will definitely increase over time. Now, also currently there are more than 300,000 chatbots in the world. So more than 300,000 artificial intelligences that companies use in order to build relationships, but also to generate sales. Now, the Facebook Messenger is an incredible tool that we have to use. And in this course, I will give you the complete blueprint to how to use the Facebook Messenger. So right, that was it now here for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see each other in the next one.